let's get this party started!
Gentlemen, we have a scenario. The whore isn't being promiscuous enough. The athlete is actually thinking logically. We need to compromise their decision making, and we need to do it with some snacks. Welcome back. Today we're headed to the sub-basement to recreate the chemical mist from the cabin in the woods. The exact pheromone gas used by the technicians to turn college kids into horror movie tropes. It's neon, it's sticky, and it's suspiciously addictive. One bite of this and you'll be convinced that walking into a dark basement alone is a good idea.
That's not good.
Before the ritual can begin, the system has to adjust the chemistry of the victims. In today's episode, we're ditching the basement's dusty relics and heading straight into the control to whip up a batch of the chemical mist pheromone popcorn. This neon marshmallow glazed snack mimics the manipulative gas.
Engaging pheromone mists.
Used by Stitterson and Hadley to keep our favorite archetypes on track. It's sweet, salty, and looks like it was pulled straight from the containment unit. Whether you're betting on Merman, the Sugar Plum Fairy, or even just trying to survive a horror movie marathon, this 5-minute recipe is the perfect high-contrast snack for your next horror movie night. And just remember, if you hear a conch shell blowing in the distance, don't go outside. We're going to start by putting our popcorn in the microwave for 2 minutes. Step 1. Melt your butter and marshmallows over low heat. Now, the tint. A drop of blue, a touch of green. We're looking for a smooth, viscous goo. This represents the control the facility has over, well, everything.
We should split up.
You want it to look like something that would leak out of a containment unit and make you want to go explore a dark cellar alone. Pour it over your victims, toss them until they're fully coated in the mist. See those sticky strands? Those are literal threads of fate being pulled by the ancient ones, or just melted sugar. I suddenly have the strongest urge to go outside and investigate that weird noise in the woods, alone, without a flashlight.
Board is locked!
Does anyone know if the merman is on the betting pool for next week?
There's always next year.
To wash down our manipulated popcorn, we have the System Purge Fizz. Look at those clouds. That's a smell of a scripted destiny. One sip and you'll find yourself reading Latin out of a dusty diary in no time.
Do not read the Latin.
Cheers to the ancient ones. Every good ritual needs a setup. If the popcorn didn't do the trick, then the facility has a backup. This is the System Purge Fizz, the liquid version of the pheromone gas pumped into the vents in the cabin. We start with our base layer, Blue Curacao, for that containment unit glow. We need a little more toxic. 1 drop of green turns us from summer drink into subterranean nightmare. Now we pressurize the system with some lemon lime fizz. This is where the gas starts to react. And finally, the release. Watch as the mist settles into the glass. The cloud effect. That's the exact moment the archetypes lose their free will. Refreshing, sweet, and 100% guaranteed to make you want to split up from the group and go check out a weird noise in the shed. The chemical mist snack pack is officially complete. If you're brave enough to try this at home, tag me in your photos before the ancient ones wake up. See you in the basement.
Okay, I swear to fucking God somebody is talking.